PreFiS XL products are metallic sealing pipe connections which do not require any welding. The connections have significant advantages in terms of time, safety, convenience, and costs, and are highly reliable. They're certified for industries and applications where conventional connection systems may not be utilized. Installation is completed easily within a few seconds. With the help of a marking tool, draw an insertion line and a check mark on both pipes. Push the press fitting onto one pipe end right up to the insertion line. Place the press tool around the fitting and the pipe. Close the press tool and insert the locking pin. Activate the high-pressure pump to crimp the pipe and the fitting. Remove the locking pin and open the press tool. Now proceed in the same way with the other pipe end. A perfect fitting, easily produced and extremely reliable with significant advantages. More safety. No welding is needed for the installation. More quality. High reliability and resistance to high pressures, high temperatures, and chemicals. More convenience. PreFiS XL guarantees easy installation even in narrow spaces. Less time. Installation takes only a few seconds. Less effort, because the installation process requires no additional preparation and no reworking. Lower costs. PreFiS XL involves no expenditure for safety measures for X-ray controls, helping to save time and money. To meet your special requirements, PreFiS XL is available in different forms and dimensions. TubeMac piping technologies can also provide you with various pipe products which perfectly match the press fitting. We can supply pipe solutions and extensive services from a single source. Get in touch with a PreFiS representative today to learn more.